Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open an Audi A3 hood. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and locating the hood release lever near the left kick panel. Pull the lever firmly and step out to the front of the car. Reach under the hood center to find the secondary latch and push or lift it to fully release the hood and prop it open safely. To begin, sit comfortably in the driver's seat and focus on the left kick panel area where the hood release lever hides. Use a firm grip and pull the lever toward you until you hear the hood pop open. If it resists, apply steady pressure with a small wiggling motion to free it. Avoid jerking sharply to prevent damaging the cable or lever while keeping your other hand free to open the hood. After the interior release, go to the front and stand centered in front of the grille with the hood slightly popped. Slide your fingers under the front edge to find the secondary safety latch, usually in the middle. Press the latch inward or lift it up while you raise the hood with your free hand. Once open, engage the hood prop or gas struts to secure it and never work under the hood with it unlatched or unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.